Today I'm going to show you how to change the filter on the Proboil.4E boiler. Use this video in conjunction with your Proboil.4E user guide. Copies of this can be downloaded online at Pronteau.co.uk. Before you begin, you'll need a replacement filter, a bowl, a small bucket, cloth and a permanent marker. Use your hotkey to turn on the tap's 98-degree water, then turn the three-way T valve off. The flow rate coming out of the spout will gradually stop. Remove the hotkey when it does. With your cloth handy, turn the filter anti-clockwise from right to left and then pull down slowly. There will be some excess water. Use your cloth to mop up any spillages. Now write the replacement date onto the label of the new filter. Remove the dust cap, then using the notches on the filter head and filter, align and push it up into the filter head. The label should be facing you. Rotate the filter fully clockwise from left to right. Now turn on the T valve. Hold the white flushing pipe into the bucket while you slowly use the comb to turn the flush valve found on top of the filter head 90 degrees clockwise into the open position. You may need to close this flushing valve on the filter head to empty the bucket, as you need to flush through at least 10 litres. Repeat until complete. Turn the flushing valve off with the coin and pour the flush water down the drain and dry any spillages. To reset the filter life indicator on the boiler, press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Use your hotkey again to turn on the tap's 98-degree water. Be careful, some spitting will occur as air is purged from the system, and leave it on for a further 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the water off by removing the hotkey. Wait until the boiler reheats and displays ready before use. Your old filter is part of our free recycle scheme. Shake any water out of your old filter and use the wrapping from your replacement filter to pack and return using the free post label included with your replacement filter.